Hey, it's Aran here. In this Systeme.io tech tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a picture for your online course and where to set it up. So you can see these are a bunch of my courses and you can see the difference. This is the default course image that exists when you set up Systeme.io. And this is one that I uploaded. So you can see the difference is distinct and it's really important for branding. Here's another example of one that I uploaded. And again, these are just the default one. So the default one looks fine as well, but you definitely want to brand it. Additionally, you'll see that here there is no content. Here there is some content. And I'm going to show you basically how to create these things. So what you want to do is you want to click on product here or just hover over it. Then click on courses. Once you're here, you want to click on one of the courses. So I'm just going to pick one just for the sake of demonstration, which is going to be this one, Content Repurposing Workshop. And now you want to click on this button right here, which is Course Settings. Under Course Settings, you will see the description. Now the description is what you saw in the course area as the information. So if you leave it blank, there's going to be that blank space. And then here is where you upload the logo to the top of your course area. And this image is the one that determines the actual image for the course. So this is where you want to upload it. You'll notice that there's no specific size that they give as such. So you simply click on choose file and upload it. I'm just going to upload a demo for the sake of demonstration, and then you'll see how this works. You'll be able to resize it as you see fit to basically make it fit and so on. So if we were to do something like that, it will then fit this particular part. So you just got to be aware of that. So the sizing is pretty much, you can't really move it up or move it to the side as such. It's always going to be the same sizing. So make it however you want to make it. It's going to basically automatically fit into the exact right size. So that's about it. That's what I want to show you. If you have any questions, let me know. And that's about it. And once you've decided, okay, you want it, you don't want it, you can just click on the X, and then you can always choose another one and do it again. Thanks a lot. I'll speak to you soon. If you're new to Systeme.io, then there'll be a link somewhere in the description if you sign up for a free trial. Go to aranbukai.com/SIO. And if you're already a SIO customer, Systeme.io customer, then I've got a couple of additional links on how I may be able to support you with using this software and getting things built a lot faster. So that's about it. Link will be in the description, and I'll speak to you soon.